Most people believe delicious soup comes with a high price tag. But what if I told you that with only 3K, you can make a bean soup that's not just healthy, but far tastier than many expensive versions? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. And before we finish, I will give you my best tips for keeping the perfect consistency and the big mistakes to avoid when cooking this soup. Alright, let's quickly dive in. Welcome to my channel. I'm starting this recipe with just 1 cup of white eye black beans, neatly picked and sorted out. Then I'll take it to my millstone to break the beans into tiny chunks. This is optional. You can just grind the beans like that and make your soup with it. But for me, I love it neater. I don't want those black eye. And look at it, I've finished breaking it. So the next step now is to sift out those black eyes and the peels. So let's do it together. Here is my tray. Can you see those black tiny things? So as I sift it out, can you see? I don't want this in my soup. Will you? No, I don't think so. Some people cook theirs like that, but I don't like it. So look at it. So I'll remove everything and get a nice looking beans like this, beans chunks like this. So I pour it into my dry blender. Remember, we are cooking just 1 cup, and this 1 cup is about, let me say, 200 naira, not even up to 200 naira. So I will blend it roughly. The way your garri appears when you look at it, that's the way you should grind yours. So when I am grinding, let's just have a look. It's too chunky. I don't like it, so I blend more. Some love their own like that. Some prefer it to be smoother than this. But for me, this is the consistency, the texture that I want. Can you see? So you will see more of it now. I pour it into a plate and look at how beautiful this beans is looking. This is the consistency you should aim at when preparing yours. And you can even get already prepared one and buy it instead of going through this process. So let's go to the second aspect now. For the second part, I'm using catfish. I have washed and removed the slime from this fish. I have a video on how to remove slime from catfish. I'll leave the link in the description below. So properly wash your fish, and I'm going to use catfish already. You already know. So this catfish is just 3K, and I'm not going to use everything. So I'll use like about 2K of it because I'll remove the head and the tail, and here I have it, just 2K. Very okay and very fine. So I come in with the Scotch bonnet pepper grounded, the locust bean, 100 naira each, and a little of onion, spring onion and onion. This is 15 naira. I use just 1 cube. Imagine a soup that you cook with 1 cube, and it's still very tasty and delicious. That is the salt. I have this at home. And for the crayfish, 1¼ tablespoon. That's about 300 naira. Then I come in with the water. I added 1 spoon of red oil, which is about 300 naira. So just cover and allow to cook over a low heat for some time. This bean soup is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with plant-based protein from the locust beans and healthy fats from the red oil. Combined with fresh catfish and vibrant spices, it supports blood sugar control and provides essential vitamins and minerals for overall wellness. So now I pour in my roughly blended beans into a little quantity of water and mix well. I'm doing this to prevent it forming lumps. You know, I told you I'm going to give you tips on how to get this bean soup with the right consistency. This is tip number 2. You mix it and pour it inside the soup. So with this, it will not form lumps. Can you see? Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate you. Your support means a lot. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your like might seem small, but it actually tells YouTube to share this recipe with more people, and that helps my channel grow so I can keep bringing you more budget-friendly and delicious meals. So go ahead and hit that like button now. Okay, thank you. So let's come back to the cooking now. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Bring in the washed water leaf. This bean soup recipe is local to a particular tribe in one of the states in Nigeria. Please, can you tell me in the comments which states serve this beautiful, delicious recipe? Water leaf gives this soup a distinct taste and flavor. You will not want to miss it out of this soup. So it's time to bring back the fish into the soup now. You know the peculiarity of catfish, the reason for removing it in the first instance. Tip number 3, ensure never to cover this pot again the moment you pour in the beans. Now allow to cook for about 4 minutes on low heat. And guess what? And now the soup is ready. See how this rich, budget-friendly bean soup pours beautifully over the soft plantain fufu. So easy to cook, healthy, and absolutely inviting. Every bite is a perfect mix of flavor and comfort, proving that delicious meals don't have to be expensive. And that's it, our delicious bean soup made with just 3K. Prove that great taste doesn't have to come with a high price tag. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly and tasty recipes. And let me know in the comments, will you try this bean soup at home, or do you already have your own twist on it? I love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.